Hi guys, Rob from Icebox also here today. Just going to show you today's install, which is on a Audi Q7. This is our 1018-1 model, which is for the 3G. As you can see, it's our OEM style one, which sits back in the dash, so it's not one of them ones that's protrude at the front. As you can see, the Android Auto is the first screen that you can see on the system here, obviously, which is preloaded onto the system. Just go to exit there, and it goes to the application sides here. 1 second. There you go, using the wrong finger. So I'll just go back to the main home page, which is designed on the new Audi of today. As you can see there, going between, this takes you back to the MMI screen. You just go back into there, you have your media, which plays your music and your videos. Here we've got the volume off today, because obviously YouTube sometimes put a disclaimer and take our videos down. Here's the video, just full HD screen. So let's go back to the apps again. So you got this all as your back end settings, your Play Store, YouTube Music, YouTube here. System also takes a 4G SIM card, which is in today. Obviously this YouTube app just needs updating for it to work, which we'll do in a moment. As you can see, nice and responsive. Comes with an 8-core processor. Let me just go back here 1 second. It's got Google Maps pre-installed on the system, but you can download your own if you wish from the Play Store. Also some speedometer information there, so obviously if you put your foot down it should go up. There you go, and there's your speed on the right. Let's have a look at this one. There's your back end settings. Have I missed anything? I think that's pretty much it. So obviously if you've got any questions, we'll put our details down below in the description. Get in touch with us anytime, and hope to see you soon. Thanks very much.